Common reasons for your croton plant's leaves to drop. Hello friends. Welcome to Gardener's Gardening. In this video, I am going to share with you 8 common reasons for your croton plant's leaf drop problem. Number 1. Overwatering. Overwatering is one of the most damaging problems for house plant. All types of crotons need slightly moist soil. They cannot be left to dry out completely, but they also cannot handle excess water for long period of time. When the soil is too moist, the roots start to become soft and mushy, unable to absorb moisture or transport nutrients. Leaves begin to wilt and eventually drop off the plant. Never water your croton when the top layer of soil is still moist. Use containers with adequate drainage holes and don't leave the pot sitting in a drip tray full of water. Number 2. Too dry conditions. Underwatering is also damaging for croton plants. Underwatering for long periods causes stress and leaf drop. Crotons store some water in their thick leaves and stems. They are happiest in consistently moist but not soggy soil. When deprived of this water, the plant becomes stressed and tries to conserve moisture by shading excess leaves. If the conditions do not get resolved, the plant will lose all its leaves and ultimately will come to the end of its life. Number 3. Temperature and humidity problems. Croton not only love deep and consistent watering, but also prefers incredibly hot and humid conditions, as they are tropical plants. If you go too far from these conditions, you will find your croton dropping its leaves. 60 to 70% humidity is needed for croton plants. If surrounding humidity level is very less, then best to use a humidifier to raise the humidity level dramatically. Temperature also plays a role in shading leaves. Keep your crotons in rooms above 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 degrees centigrade throughout the year. Number 4. Insufficient light exposure. Crotons are light-loving plants that thrive in bright rooms with indirect light. They are not suitable for areas with low light and express stress when they don't receive enough sunlight. These signs of stress are from yellowing leaves to dropping leaves to entire leaves falling off. This problem is definitely the easiest to fix. Move your plant to a brighter area, and growth should slowly return to normal. Avoid placing them under direct sunlight, as this will cause leaves to burn and additional stress that could kill the plant. You can keep your plant under morning sun for an hour or two, that's enough. Keep them out of direct light in the middle of the day and afternoon to prevent them from burning. Number 5. Pests and diseases can cause croton plants to drop leaves. Regularly check your plant for signs of pests and diseases. Many pests can be controlled with an application of neem oil or a relevant insecticidal soap. Diseases are a bit more challenging to manage, requiring regular pruning and application of preventative sprays to stop the problem from spreading. Number 6. Too much or too little fertilizer. Nutrients are the foundation of your plant's success. Having too much or too little of them can cause your plant to fail. Crotons are not heavy feeders but grow best if get some nutrients during the spring and summer growing seasons. If your croton has been in the same pot for years, it has likely used up all available nutrients in the soil. A scheduled repotting and regular fertilizing should resolve the issue and will return your plant to good health. The opposite extreme can also cause leaves to fall off. Excess fertilizer burns the roots and leaves and eventually drop the plant. So, never add more fertilizer than recommended on the package to avoid unnecessary damage. Number 7. Environmental shock or stress. Crotons do not appreciate changes in environment. Any dramatic change in conditions results in stress and shock, causing the plant to drop leaves to conserve energy. It can be hard pruning and repotting, or any sudden changes of conditions. Number 8. The age of the croton plant. Older leaves may begin to yellow and fall off the plant due to their age, and this is a normal phenomenon. If the leaf drop problem is resolved, the plant will develop new leaves along the new growth. To encourage new growth, prune the branches back slightly. These slow growers can reach maturity in about 2 to 3 years. Don't get panicked if you find your croton losing its leaves. Find the most likely cause, apply the remedy, and you should see new leaf growth in no time. If you like this video and it helps you, please click the like button. Share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Remember to take care of your green friends and keep them happy. God bless you, and thanks for your time.